got nothing for you. Okay, I'm going to have to see if I can get her done. You be ready. Stretch. Click. All right, give it to her. Now, switch to Brody. Brody, when you come in, again, you're likely going to want to be there. You're going to touch her right there. And I'm going to touch your arm right now to tell you how hard to touch her. You're going to touch her that hard in that spot. And you're going to say bow. B-O-W, bow. Okay? So, here's your carrots. I want her to know you have them. Get in front of me. Stand facing her. This way, yeah. Now, touch that leg and say it. Bow. Click. What do you think of that? Is that pretty cool? You're a good old girl. One of the girls